Today I'm going to teach you how to receive payments through Squarespace. If you're running an online store or offering services through your website, setting up a payment processor is essential for accepting transactions from your customers. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Once you're on your homepage, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage. Simply click on the website where you want to receive payments. This will open up the main editing interface for that specific site. Now look over to the left side of your screen and find the gear icon. This is your settings button, and clicking it will open up all the configuration options for your website. Go ahead and click on this icon to proceed. In the settings menu that appears on the left side, you'll need to find and click on Selling. This section contains all the tools related to commerce and transactions on your site. Under the Selling options, click on Payments. This is where you'll configure how your site accepts money from customers. Next, you'll need to choose a payment processor. Squarespace works with several trusted platforms, so you'll see options like Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Click on whichever processor you prefer to use for your business. Each has its own benefits, so choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting your payment processor, a new window will open. This is where you'll connect your existing account with that processor. Log in to your Stripe, PayPal, or Square account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see prompts asking you to authorize the connection between Squarespace and your payment processor. Follow these prompts carefully to complete the authorization process. After completing the authorization, return to Squarespace. You'll want to confirm that everything connected properly. Make sure the payment method you selected now shows as connected in your settings. This confirmation is important because it means your site is ready to process transactions. Finally, scroll down in the Payments section until you find Store Currency. Click on this option and select the currency you want to accept for your transactions. This ensures that all prices on your site and all payments you receive will be in your preferred currency. And that's it. You've successfully set up payment processing on your Squarespace website, and you're now ready to start accepting payments from customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.